See those up arrows?
Yeah.
The stock market?
Right.
Yeah, our temperature's up too.
Exactly.
And then some unusual sights in the sky tonight. I guess not so unusual. We do see them once in a while.
Yeah,
right?
I would say on the average, I'd say per year, probably 20 times a year. You have to be looking for them, obviously. And we did get them sun dogs. They're actually secondary suns. They look like it anyway. This one is not, although it looks like the sun in that photo right there. The sun was located just to the left of that photo that you see right there, and they mimic the sun. That's why they're called the sun dog, and they occur typically around sunset or sunrise when the cirrus clouds, composed of ice crystals, move overhead. And that one, again, nice shot there by Richard. And this one, also you see it just to the right there, the refraction and reflection of the sun's lights through that prism effect of the ice crystals of the cirrus clouds, showing that nice picture right there that you see. That was near the Venice Pier. Lynn sending that one in. Appreciate all the photos. Keep them coming. Obviously, we appreciate all the photos that you send to pics@mysuncoast.com. The big story is the warm temperatures right now across the area. It will stay that way too, it looks like, right through the weekend and into Christmas Day. And the cold air could be here, though, in just before the year ends. We'll talk more about that a little bit, but warm temperatures for lows tonight in the low to mid 60s for the most part, maybe even a little warmer if you're right on the water. Venice at 63 to start the day off, 61 at Lakewood Ranch, 64 in Braden, Anna Maria. You'll be right around 66 degrees, and we are anticipating a lot of fog around in the morning. That'll be the biggest concern right now. As we showed you earlier, the dew point, the temperature, all the same now. That makes the humidity 100%. And winds are calm. The pressure way up there continuing to rise. The high today was above average at 79 degrees. Our normal high is 73. The record 90 set back in 1967, and the low this morning was 61. No rainfall to report today. December, typically a very dry month, and so far we're doing pretty good as far as the rainfall total goes for December. And the forecast, the hourly forecast calling for temperatures in the low to mid 60s to start the day off, and then we'll warm up quickly into the upper 70s by 11 a.m. and then right around 80 degrees. We'll hover near that, near the coast, and places inland a little bit warmer like Lakewood Ranch, Arcadia, Wauchula will all be right around 84, 85 degrees in some cases in the afternoon. The Futurecast, the only thing it shows and depicts some fog, and quite a bit of it to the north of us. It will be down here too to start the morning off, and it should burn off rather quickly. And then there'll be some sea fog moving in on, I think, late Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. That could stick around a while as this system kind of shifts off to the east. We'll see that onshore flow out ahead of that, and that front fades away just to the north of us, and we don't expect that to move on through anytime soon. Now, if you're planning to go up north, and I know some people are in social media, just talked to some folks going up to Michigan for the next several days, it is going to get extremely cold as the polar vortex, at least a piece of it, will come down to the central United States on Christmas Day and then spread off to the east and south by New Year's Day. Temperatures, though, currently not all that cold across the Great Lakes, into the 40s there. Highs tomorrow will be in the 50s in Kansas City, St. Louis, and Memphis, and 47 the expected high in Cleveland, 60 degrees in Washington, but that cold air is on the way. Here's the long-range model forecast. You can see the purples and pinks here all kind of spreading southward December 26th, 27th, all the way through Ohio and West Virginia. This is the 28th, and you'll notice all the yellows and reds move away from Florida. So a little bit of a cool spell headed our way, but nothing we can't handle. For boaters, winds out of the east, turning to the northwest at around 5 to 10 knots. It'll be good conditions out there as far as that goes. The only problem will be that fog around in the morning, and the water temperature at 69 degrees. Tides up coming on your screen, 8 a.m. That'll be the next low tide, and sunrise at 7:15. Tonight, mostly fair in places, otherwise not too bad. Some fog developing, and then tomorrow the fog burns off, partly cloudy, 79 for your high. The extended forecast shapes up like this. Temperatures staying above average right through the next 7 days. Winter officially starts at 11:28 on Thursday morning, and then we warm up for the first full day of winter. 80 degrees expected, Scott.
Okay, Bob, thank you.